Mama wakwaba wafreme Adjoa searching Mesrel na was subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
I can me yan who send to from one na to ni akeka.
I don't know if you harm her.
Omo kasa bibiri nyina.
Really?
Yes, akunta. It is clear.
Are they not telling us the reality in the party?
Jaomo edidi kwa. Jaomo.
Hey.
Akuta edidi kwa jaomo.
What would they do?
My memo example. Omo nipa 10 na kofa no. So utie baako a young man bi no kasapa your friend say wadamfo no. Kojon Safwa. E dey na see last week o said then. You no na akogya baby o ye ni say 2 say. E dey na see.
2 Baumia.
Yes. Oni Baumia twa picture o ye say then o ye 2 say. Your friend say man ya Sunday okọ na sorry.
Okọ ye na ase ase. Kwabena Japan.
E dey na Kwabena Japan an kan fa vice president on. Say me oba party ni mu da be me na me koje the party card the brain no.
So simple nim din da nani.
And then they asem na no. Akuta omo nyina edede kwa ya odie. Ani ahoya, let me use this word.
Ahoya asese.
Akuta ya ahoya.
Okay, ahoya asese. Say
ahoya they feel say obi ti say akutu feel say ebi amache wo party ni mu. Me papa na chia me akutu ba me afiri here. Ebia oba bedi party ni mu say. The same thing applies to Francis Adenimu. Any Kennedy Japan. That's it. Say bibi fufuro bi o wa omoma Ghana fun wo dede ni ya doso do akonta
ofi say they are talking too much
omusuban na omo da na di no ho ete say Bible mu oba bi na ne bawu ye no
Solomon.
Yes, oba bi na ne bawu ye a baako de
ye nyina ye kuan ye nyina ye
na say ni patre no omo ye no. And if NPP party ni so omo omra omo constitution a omo de guard omo party na they should deal with them just as omo dealing with Afoko ene Kwabena Japan mo a
ene Same Crab
omo koye election them the consequences
omo ne e ma party
akota ni omo chechire e dey na che so omo nchen e ma na omo ma wu ye no a Bible mu na ba ko say yem pa akwala ni mu ba ko say da bi wo de so wo say akwala ni yo ba yem fa ma wo
that you be
sensu mama no e dey na mo chechire no eku a awo mo eku a wo say Kennedy Japan so wo ho nka ene de eku ni ngu your friend say akoto o papa chia me akoto and your friend say odi ni moja twa asoma party ni better
NLM
and then ugu party no what's party no all because of who interest Francis Adenimu all because of your interest musuba ni ya similar to sa oba no or Bible nim and this NPP party akota e dey no mo ye
gare mo ana
and e dey no mo ye yewra lanchre maten dey your friend say we free party nim and yes, also Kasa. Also Owini or explaining Yama
the
sympathy of Ghana for and they
say on flag bearer.
It is to say on a flag bearer.
Movement for change flag bearer.
Movement for change flag bearer. Na mo na wakana mo part akuta ekuo bia mu no nipa untimi satisfy obia and okoko bi mu a ye de ko ne nhye ye to anim ekuo we ya wo ba mu no ye do's and don'ts nie. It's NPP party ni do's and don'ts.
Is it also not say maybe Oman can kukuoma no
akuto Oman ka hwe omunyae omon ka hwe no no kere ya po be ka bibia chiro bi o ka bibia nkon kan kire odi konkonsa bibiribi nkon ka bibia kire Ghana akuto omunya no mo kire no NPP party no should deal with them. How na akuto ni how say ya tifia hai ya omra ya de tifia no.
That's right.
If I go contrary to mra no mo ye me dey
you'll be punished.
It is saying no cheche. So can you put me back on table catch the Ghana for say a buying a party no woman no or master says he can't go abroad. We national security minister out where they security of this country baby I do ya obi yakwo sika bebreguni dem some young came near ye put Ghana into certain position be a party no crank omun timintiti omun ye na so be do na bam udi we ba betum. The other time, and a one you be masrimfo, and a way back, your mama. I could take these things.
Your mama,
Abambabe, and
Ghana politics say but he says that he said that on the basis of Somokase. Say, man to Abama is Riminia, a year Mahmoud Baumia is in 4 Twaba. And also say, it is a comfort because a man to Abama. Akania ya kan forso ntoaba ebe ko sei
ayese assembly o hono mo ese hwan no ese chiamia no
ese ohina no
debi ade ne du ba bi ana atamel se ko na akufo ado e ko ekoya akanfo nkwa no obi kasai
eno so de obi ankasa
and never do baby na say sabi enu anu muslimfo so ba be kwa dede we free
and all this while it has been a can
Adey
because Kofoni at Mills was a can
yes
Akufo-Addo and Mills it was a can it was only John and Akufo-Addo and this time around he said
no cry John no cry man for cry say belonging to the Akan enclave of the northern region
yes
so see akota me feel say NPP party no general secretary the national chairman te senia no pay na obiamu a etwe adwene de asi mra bia o ma se wo party ni proud to almost special delegate conference
no enra me kan wa ha
undertaking
enra me kan wa ha say omo article 3 Emma almost undertaking say almost say alankojo chirematen kwa no they can tell the electoral commission say but what Obiya must also realize is this Alan is no more with the party.
Yes, and let me busa
and as it stands now, Alan is a citizen of Ghana. Of sound mind.
Yes.
40 years and above. Will the Ghana constitution allow
quarter? And also be a different discussion.
Because when they go to court, the constitution is supreme.
When they go to court, me know why agreement. Me know why agreement too. Agreement mo bro mo ka bi say perjury one ni no kura mo bia.
No, that was not perjury. He swore under oath of right.
Yes.
But it is not Ghanaian constitution.
You Ghana constitution.
Will the constitution bar Alan from contesting because he belongs to an association?
Yes. O ka kire o don sa say apama sese.
Yes, I hear constitutional lawyers. No.
It is possible.
I know it's possible, but what I'm saying is that Ghanaian constitution, Ghana constitution, the 1992 program constitution. That's why you're Ghanaian. Let's say, of sound mind. When you fear Janine, now what taxes no BBI cloud as independent candidate allowed.
Allowed.
Well, Sadia no didn't Sakoshas.
No.
Wajai party no does this still hold him or not?
Wajai party no the agreement was say so
the agreement was say
no obi ankote no nkote party
but go contest in November 4th
ube ko uya wa dire say wa
so ko wie no
attempting to kill a skill o akonta
this is fascinating
omo constitution ne emra ne nsa hase ne dia Alan Timi ente ne ho free NPP party.
Alan Timi.
Yes, because he, oh man. Obi anhye.
And it was not under duress or undue influence.
Any influence. One sabi under your own sound mind. Nanza kosha say me Alan Kojo Chirematen. Party nji hye ya o maja tum. Me beto abani bi na se me luso me wi ni o mintimi ntem ho free party nim. Afede wako first process woko ye wa na akoko gina mu ye to aba sebe enipa du wo to so miensa so ati ase